Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Batusha Izzati binti Baharudin, and today I am going to talk about interaction among living organisms. The living organisms on Earth have a relationship with the other living and non-living things to survive and function efficiently. Both elements are incomplete without the other, which adds to the beauty of the rich diversity of flora and fauna. Living organisms like plants, animals, birds, insects, and microorganisms depend on the other living beings for food, water, shelter, and protection. They also depend on living entities such as energy from sunlight, minerals, and nutrients from the soil, air, and rainfall. Type of ecological interactions. Interaction is a necessity for any living being to survive. Like human relationships, ecological interactions involving animals, plants, and microbes. It also has negative and positive interactions. This biotic interaction might be intraspecific, which is interaction between same species, or interspecific, which is including interaction between distinct species. Symbiotic relationships are the close association formed between pair of species. They come in a variety of forms, such as parasitism, where one species benefits and the other are harmed, and commensalism, where one species benefits and the other is neither harmed nor helped. Another interaction that we are going to look at today is mutualism. Mutualism is a type of symbiotic relationship where all species involved benefit from their interactions. While mutualism is highly complex, it can be roughly broken down into two types of relationship. In some cases, the species are entirely dependent on each other, and in others, they derive benefits from their relationship but could survive without each other. Some examples of mutualism are aphids and ants. Aphids are little sap-sucking insects that secrete honeydew, a sugary liquid that is the waste product of their diet. Many aphid species are known to engage in a mutualistic relationship with ants that feed on the honeydew by milking the aphid with their antennae. In return, some species of ants will protect the aphid from predators and parasites. Some will move aphid eggs and nymphs underground to their nests, which ultimately makes harvesting their honeydew more efficient, like an ant equivalent of a dairy farm. However, some aphids have evolved to take advantage of the honeydew-seeking ants. Paracletosimiformis aphid came in two morphs, the round morph, which is milk, and a flat and mimicking morph. When the ants carry the flat individual to their brood chamber, the aphid will drink the body fluid of the ant's larva. Next is clownfish and anemones. Anemones are flower-like marine animals with neurotoxin-filled stinging tentacles. They use these to help them subdue their prey, which are mostly plankton, crabs, and fish, though larger species take larger prey such as starfish and jellyfish. Anemones associate with many fish species, but they are particularly close with one group. Clownfish, also known as anemone fish, are immune to anemone stings, though scientists aren't exactly sure how. It is thought that the layer of mucus on the fish body is involved in protecting them. This means clownfish can safely nestle into the anemone's tentacle to hide from predators. In return, clownfish help the anemone in multiple ways. They keep the anemone free of parasites and provide them with nutrients through their feces, which may also stimulate the growth of beneficial symbiotic algae within the anemone. Clownfish may also drop food onto the anemone and also drive off anemone-eating intruders that stray too close. It is possible that the bright colors of clownfish also help to lure males of small animals to within reach of the anemone. In conclusion, mutualism plays a key part in ecology and evolution. For example, mutualistic interactions are vital for terrestrial ecosystem function, as about 80% of land plant species rely on mycorrhizal relationship with fungi to provide them with inorganic compounds and trace elements. That is all for me. Thank you for listening.